I will have to tell you that 65% or 64% of the infrastructure projects are here in Manila. 19% lang ang binigay sa Region 19. That is the disparity. Ang aming local share sa taxes hindi binibigay. That is why people are clamoring for a federal government. I-dissipate na muna natin yung central powers. You have to give us our share.
Secretary Rojas, ano reaksyon nyo sa sinabi ni Mayor Duterte?
Habang totoo na napag-iwanan ng Mindanao, hindi na po yan ang nangyayari ngayon. Itong nakaraang 5 taon kumpara sa 125 billion ni Gloria at ni Erap.
Wala man akong nakitang tuwid na dadaan. Puro kulubot man yan. You know, I said this year, the budget was given to Manila, the largest portion of it was 64%. Ang binigay sa Region 11, 19 billion. Kanila 64. So how can you expect Mindanao to develop? You do not count the accounts that was given us within the last 5 years. Naubos yun sa korupsyon.